In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in a Microsoft Word document for printing at wallet size. This process is really straightforward and perfect for anyone who wants to adjust their images to this specific dimension. To begin, open up your Microsoft Word file where the image you want to resize is located. Once you have your document open, look for the image you wish to resize and prepare it for these specific dimensions. When you're ready, right-click on the image. A menu will appear showing several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Size and Position option. This is a crucial step as it allows you to modify the image dimensions precisely. Once you click Size and Position, a new window will pop up with various options related to how your image is formatted. You'll notice that there are several tabs. Focus on the Size tab. What you're looking for here is the setting that controls the aspect ratio of your image. You'll see a checkbox labeled Lock Aspect Ratio. Make sure this box is unchecked. Unchecking it is essential because it gives you the freedom to adjust both the height and the width of your image independently, which is what we need for wallet size dimensions. With the aspect ratio unlocked, you'll first set the height of your image to 3.5 inches. Enter this value in the height box and then move over to the width box and set it to 2.5 inches. These measurements correspond to the standard wallet size photo dimensions, which should fit neatly into most wallets without any issue. Once you have these numbers input, have a quick look to ensure everything appears correct. After entering the dimensions, you're almost there. Simply click OK to apply these changes to your image. It's always a good practice to double check at this point to ensure that the image appears just as you want it in your document. These steps should give you a consistent size that's perfect for printing or sharing. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your image to wallet size using Microsoft Word. This technique is not only useful for photos, but can be applied to any image that you might want to adjust and print for various uses. Whether you're creating custom business cards, ID badges, or just want to keep a favorite photo handy, knowing how to resize images like this gives you a lot of flexibility. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.